Hi, my name is Sami. I'm a rising junior at University High School, and this is my RC Hovercraft first milestone. And the first milestone just consists of the skeleton and the body of the hovercraft, and the base of the hovercraft consists, as you can see here, of an 8-sided rectangular shape that I cut out, and I measured all the different sides and I cut out, and the base actually has 4 layers instead of just being 1 layer. The first layer here is just on the bottom, and it has no holes or internal cuts in it. It's just a cutout shape of what I drew. Then the second layer is much weirder. It's a bunch of different shapes that I cut out and put onto the actual first layer. And what that does is when you put the lift motor where in here, when it blows air, the air is supposed to go out through these passageways into the skirt to make it a balanced air distribution. And then here's the third layer that actually has the hole that the motor is supposed to go in and then blow air through the hole that goes into this area where the air goes through into the skirt. And then you can see the fourth layer here that I already connected to the 3D body of the hovercraft. And the body of the hovercraft, I made it really simple. It just has a box here where it's around 10 inches long and 3.5 inches tall. And it also has slanted walls on either side, and the front has a square and 2 triangles just to give it more of an aerodynamic shape. And the overall length of the hovercraft is 14.75 inches long and around 7 inches wide. And I have my roof here also that I'm just going to tape on or use hinges so you can open and close it, take out the electronic parts. And an issue I came up with while making the hovercraft was the hole placement. At first I had the hole way too far back, and the problem with that is that it was hard to get the center of gravity right around the lift motor. So I decided to fill up that hole, cut a new hole, and put it more towards the middle so it's easier to balance out the hovercraft and get the center of gravity right. And as you can see here, I haven't done the back yet, and the reason why I haven't done the back is because I still need to figure out the placement of my servo and my propulsion motor to figure out where I'm going to put those, how I'm going to design those, and once I do that, then I can start building the back, because the back is where there's going to be a lot of electronics and I haven't really gotten there yet. That's it. Thank you and goodbye.